Assalamu alaikum students. Open your textbooks of English at page 84. It is lesson number 10 and the title of the lesson is Lahore. Some pictures are at the top and it is clear that the lesson tells us something about the historical importance of the city. So we will read the text first. Lahore city is the capital of the province of Punjab. It is centrally situated and is generally known as the heart of Pakistan. The city is located on the banks of River Ravi. It is also known as the Green City and is home to many gardens and historical sites. Sites means places. The city is famous for its poets, artists, foods, colleges, universities, and rich culture. Well, in this lesson, we will learn that Lahore city is the capital of Punjab and it is known as the heart of Pakistan. And it is also known as Green City because it is home of many gardens and many historical places, and it is also famous because of its artists, foods, and educational institutions. The city dates back to 850 AD. It was taken over by Mahmud Ghaznavi in 1021 AD. Masood, the son of Mahmud, made it the capital of entire Ghaznavid empire. This was a point in history where Lahore became the heart of social, cultural, and educational events. These activities enabled the city reach the peak of its significance under the rule of Mughal Empire. It was under the Mughals that the city got its beautiful forts, famous architecture, gardens, tombs, mosques, and pavilions. There are many ancient names recorded in the history of Lahore, which include Lahnur, Mahmudpur, Lohpur, Loharpur, and Samnadpal Nagri. Well, as mm, we have learned in this paragraph that Mahmud Ghaznavi took over Lahore in 1021 AD and it was made the capital of Ghaznavid Empire. But under Mughal Empire, many gardens, forts, mosques were built. Because Mughal Empire was golden era for constructions, beautiful forts, gardens, mosques, and even pavilions were constructed. And there are many ancient names regarding Lahore like Lohpur, Loharpur, and Mahmudpur. The population of the city is around 6.5 million. It is the second largest city of Pakistan. The city has been constructed in the formation of parallelogram and the area within the walls of the city. Central Lahore and Old Lahore is about 461 acres. The exact location of the district is 31 degree to 34 degree north latitude and 74 degree to 20 degree east longitude. Regarding the weather in the city, there are two main seasons, namely winter and summer. The monsoon season is at its peak during July and August. Winter rains occur from December to February, which make the city gardens look so beautiful. Well, population of Lahore is around 6.5 million and the exact location of this district is 31 degree to 34 degree north latitude and 74 degree to 20 degree east longitude. And we also came across that this city has two main seasons, winter and summer, and monsoon season lasts from July to August and winter rains occurs from December to February. Then we will read the next paragraph. One of the most famous architecture of the city is known as Lahore Fort, which was built during Mughal rule by Akbar the Great. The king also constructed the city walls, which had 12 gates. Some of these gates exist even today. Jahangir, the son of Akbar, and Shah Jahan, the son of Jahangir, have been the builders of Shalimar Garden in Lahore. They also constructed many tombs and palaces. Another great Mughal ruler, Aurangzeb, constructed another famous building in Lahore known as Badshahi Mosque. These constructions are not only graceful and beautiful but also great tourist attractions for the city. Well, as in the previous paragraph, I have told you that the Mughal Empire was the golden era for the construction and for the architecture. Well, Lahore Fort, which is um, an art of architecture. It was built by Akbar the Great. Mughals also built Shalimar Garden, tombs, and many palaces. Aurangzeb Alamgir, he built Badshahi Mosque. These constructions are great tourist attractions, and these are the very special and historical asset of the city. There is Minar-e-Pakistan, which was built in the memory of Pakistan Resolution of 1940. It stands in Iqbal Park, formerly known as Minto Park. The Assembly Hall, built in the Greco-Roman style, the Summit Minar, the multi-storied Wabda House, and Al-Falah building are located close to one another and are favorite spots for tourists. Well, we have learned that another important building is Minar-e-Pakistan, which was built in the memory of Pakistan Resolution of 23rd March 1940, and which is considered a milestone in the history of struggle of Pakistan. And it stands in Iqbal Park, and its old name was Minto Park, which was changed into Iqbal Park. Assembly Hall is a beautiful building which is built in Greco-Roman style, and Lahore is also famous for multi-storied Wabda House and Al-Falah building. Lahore is also an educational center with many schools and colleges. Government College, University, National College of Arts, and Punjab University are some of the oldest seats of learning. Anarkali Bazaar, Lahore Food Street are also some of the main tourist attractions. Well, exciting cultural events like Symposia at the Cultural Center Alhambra, exhibition of paintings at the Arts Council and Shakir Ali Museum, and musical night at Bagh-e-Jinnah make Lahore the cultural hub of the Punjab. The architecture, beautiful history, and mixed culture of the city make it a dynamic and vibrant city. Well, in this last portion of the lesson, we have learned that Lahore is famous for its educational centers. There are many old seats of learning like Government College, NCM, and Punjab University. These are all oldest seats of learning. Anarkali Bazaar, Food Street, they are the famous bazaars. Lahore is center of culture. Alhambra Arts Council and Shakir Ali Museum. They make Lahore the cultural hub of Punjab, and so it is truly called the cultural city of Pakistan. Lesson is done. Thank you.